Hi guys, Kemcho, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. Today I am going to share everything I picked up from Canada. Now I have shopped a lot from Canada. Some things were planned, some things were very random, some things were impulsive purchase. I bought so many things: makeup, clothes, shoes, luxury handbags. So stick around, I'm going to show you everything I got. By the way, you get all these products in India also. They are available over here but at much higher price. In Canada I got in a much cheaper price. So yeah, without making this intro any longer, let's just dive into today's video. I am someone who will not save best for the last, so I am showing you my most favorite thing, all the handbags I got from Canada. फर्स्ट बैग आई गॉट फ्रॉम केट स्पेड. मेरे पास कभी भी केट स्पेड का कोई भी बैग नहीं था. ये मेरा फर्स्ट बैग है केट स्पेड का. सो लेट मी शो यू. आई एम जस्ट सो हैप्पी ओपनिंग ऑल दिस बैग्स. This is very basic white bag, but this looks very classic. And the shape is also very unique, so I was like, let me just get this. This is so pretty, right? I'm just so happy. If you see my over excitement during this bag thing, just ignore it, because bags are my most favorite. They're my babies, so love them. I just love them. I can hug them. They are my cute little babies. Next bag I got from Aldo. This is very basic bag. This also come with this handle and a long bag strapped, so I can use this at my office, like whenever I have meeting and stuff. This is very classic small tote bag. मेरे पास बड़ी tote bags बहुत है, बस this structured small tote bag बिल्कुल नहीं थी. So I was like, let me just get this. This is very cute. Now my most favorite bag is from Michael Kors. I am so happy. I just can't express my happiness right now. If you are following me since a long time, I was at Bali airport and I told this thing that maybe in 5 to 6 years or 2-3 years, I don't know what I have said, but I have said that fingers crossed will buy Michael Kors someday, and the day is here. And the huge bag I got is this. Just look at this. This is very pretty. Let me just open it for you. Look at this baby. This is not for me. I'm very excited to open this, but this is for my mother. I got this as a gift to her, so I'm not opening this. This is just for my mother. This bag do come with 2 more bags. Let me show you. Kind of sling bag which has hook behind, so you can attach the strap and use it as sling bag. This is 1, this is 2, and we also have the third bag. Just look at this. This is so pretty, isn't it? This opens like this. Again, this also comes with the strap thing, hook thing, so you can just attach this. My mom can use this bag in multiple ways. They also have this strap, so happy that I got this for my mama. Next Michael Kors bag is for me. This is very cute, very small bag. I have used this bag in Canada also. But look at this pretty baby. This is in the baby pink color, and this is a sling bag. The structure is very good. Everything about this bag is very good. The color, structure, everything. फेवरेट कैटेगरी मेकअप. आई हैव दिस सफोरा बैग विथ मी. सो सफोरा से मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं लिया है, बट थोड़ा बहुत शॉपिंग किया है. और सबसे पहली चीज़ मेरे लिस्ट में थी वॉज रेयर ब्यूटी. आई जस्ट एब्सोल्युटली लव रेयर ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई गॉट दिस blush in the shade Hope. Just look at this baby. I just love this. जब से ये ब्लश बाय किया है मैंने और कोई ब्लश यूज़ नहीं किया है, बस इसी को यूज़ कर रही हूँ मैं. एंड देन आई ऑल्सो गॉट देयर हाईलाइटर. जस्ट लुक एट द पैकेज. वॉज नॉट गोइंग टू बाय दिस लिक्विड हाईलाइटर, बट वहाँ पे मैंने देखा और मुझे बस बहुत पसंद आ गया, सो आई जस्ट गॉट इट. और ये ब्लश तो मैं इंडिया से लिस्ट में लिख के गई थी दैट आई जस्ट वांट दिस एट एनी कॉस्ट. फिर मैंने लिया है ये मॉर्फी का आई शेडो पैलेट बहुत अच्छे डिस्काउंट में थी, सो मैंने ले लिया. एंड आई वॉज कम्प्लीटली सोल्ड आउट व्हेन आई सॉ दिस शेड. आई वॉज लाइक आई जस्ट वांट दिस. और मॉर्फी की आई शेडो पैलेट्स वैसे भी बहुत फेमस है एंड आई वॉन्टेड वन, सो I got a great deal on this. I got is this MAC lipstick in the shade Meher. This is a mini size, like this is very cute, like so cute. I already wanted this shade because this is their iconic shade. Itni cute hai. Still you get a good amount of products, so I was like let me just get it. I got so many drugstore product also. अपेरेंटली एल्फ इज़ वेरी फेमस इन वेस्ट और मुझे एल्फ के प्रोडक्ट वैसे भी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है और मुझे काफ़ी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स ट्राई करने थे. सो आई गॉट सो मैनी स्टफ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई गॉट देयर 3 लिप लाइनर्स. आई गॉट 1 2 3 ब्लश, देयर लिप ऑयल 1 2 एंड ऑल्सो 3. एक मैंने यूज़ करने के लिए निकाल दिया है. So yeah, I just love this. This is what I'm wearing on my lips right now. This just smells so good. So I got 3 lip oils. Disclaimer, this is not just only for me. This is for me and my mama. So we are going to share all the makeup products. इसलिए मैंने 2-3 buy किए सारी चीज़ें. So we can share. So now I am fixed. मेरे माइक की बैटरी चली गई थी. So फ्रेम में थोड़ा बहुत चेंजेस आया होगा. सो आई वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस एल्फ हेलो ग्लो. आई गॉट दिस. आई जस्ट डिडंट ट्राई इट. ये मेरा शेड है या नहीं आई डोंट नो, बट ये बहुत फेमस है, सब लोग बहुत ट्राई करते हैं इसको. सो आई वॉज लाइक लेट मी जस्ट गेट इट. आई ऑल्सो गॉट देयर लिप बाम. दिस इज इन द फ्लेवर वेनिला फ्रॉस्टिंग. Their names are very interesting. बहुत interesting names होते हैं. I got their Halo Contour. Actually मैं एक पूरा वीडियो बना सकती हूँ only using ELF makeup on my face because बहुत सारे ELF के products मैंने ले लिए. Next thing I got is this from L'Oreal Paris. The packaging is so good, like very impressive. मैं जब कनाडा में थी तब ये लॉन्च हुआ था and I got this in a shade Worth It. सो या आई एम येट टू ट्राई इट. अगर आपको ये सारी चीज़ के रिव्यूज़ चाहिए तो मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर दो. यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स पे भी मैं सारी चीज़ें डालती रहती हूँ. सो आप सब्सक्राइब कर देना तो आपको सारे अपडेट्स मिलते रहेंगे. देन आई गॉट सो मैनी Revlon nail paints just to give to my friends and family. I think we are done with makeup. Okay, let's jump on to hair care and skincare. Now I got this Fino hair mask. This is very famous in Japan. Japan तो नहीं गई but Canada में ये discounted price में था. ये just $11 का था तो I was like let me just get it. I'm telling you, I'm just influenced to buy few stuff and I just ended up wasting my money. But I don't know I have wasted my money on this or not, but yeah. So I got this. Then next thing I got is Bath and Body Works. I got so many stuff. Let me just start with body mist. This is Midnight Addiction. This smells incredible. The lady over there, she told me that this is the dupe of YSL and I was like, impressive, let me just get it. And this is so good. Like I am using this on daily basis. Every day to my office I am just wearing this and people have complimented me like you smell so good gazillion times. So that's a sign that you should get this. And this lasts also really long. Next thing I got a combo of body mist and a lotion. This is in the fragrance Warm Vanilla Sugar. This smells good and if you know me, you know that I love vanilla, so I had to get something vanilla. And I also got their classic Thousand Wishes because why not? This is very iconic fragrance, so I just got this. I got not one, not two, not three, but 6 hand sanitizer because they were on sale discount. So I was like, let me just get it. I just got a random fragrance. So yeah. So next up I got this very beautiful rose gold makeup pouch. Something is there inside. Oh, there's a wedding card, like a itinerary for my sister's wedding. So मैं ये लेके आई थी India as a, you know, just a memory from her wedding. And I also have this fridge magnet. एक reel मैंने देखी थी. In that the caption was, got my mom another fridge magnet rather than getting her son-in-law. So I did the same thing. Next thing is very exciting. I got this Puma shoes. I am matching with this box. I got this very basic sneakers. This is in a white color and like this is very comfortable, very nice. So I just thought that let me just get it. This is basic, but I know this will go on most of my outfits. I also got one more shoes. This is for my dad. This is in the color black, like very basic, but this is like running shoes. So maybe he, whenever he wants to go for walk, he can just throw this and go for walk. So I got few clothes also. First of all, I got this t-shirt from North Face. This is like in a color pink, very basic. This is not for me, this is for my mummy. ये बहुत लंबा वीडियो होने वाला है, so grab some snacks and coffee, something like that, and just enjoy watching this video. So next I got this track pant in the color brown, very basic. But you know their clothes are very comfortable. They're like really warm. So मैं ज़्यादातर ऐसे warm चीज़ें बहुत लाई हूँ. Then I got this pajama. This is like very basic stuff. I got this from Walmart, I guess. Yeah. So very basic pajama. Got pajama set. This is very pretty. Look at this flower print. This just looks so good. And the top is also very, you know, pretty cute top. So I was like, let me just get it. The lace detailing over here was like selling point. I just loved this. So I was like, just get this. So this sweatshirt is so cute. When I was buying this, I was very confused with two design, but my sister was like, this is more your vibe, so just get this. Just look at this. This is so cute. This bow. I just love this sweatshirt. I just can't wait to wear this. कब winter आएगा और कब मैं ये sweatshirt पहन के घूमूंगी. I just love this. Up I have this t-shirt from Uniqlo. मुझे पता नहीं था but Uniqlo में बहुत ही अच्छे कपड़े मिलते हैं. I just got this very basic t-shirt for everyday wear. Okay, let's start with our IKEA stuff because मैं IKEA से बहुत सारी चीज़ें लेके आई हूँ. First of all, let me show you my most favorite thing from IKEA. It's way cute. I just love that. By the way, I have got so many soft toys, small, big, like so many. Next up, I got so many small soft toys. This is also from IKEA. बहुत ही cute, like just look at them. They are so cute. I don't know what the use of this soft toys, but I just find it cute and I just got it. Next up, I have very beautiful glass. This color is like so good. I just love this purple color and I was like, let me just get this. This is like very heavy in material, so I was like ले लेते हैं भले बैग का वजन जो ना हो देखा जाएगा. So I just got this. Now I got few stuff from Dollarama. So they have this Dollarama store where you get stuff from $1 to $5 to $7. So first of all I got this cutie. This is very cute. Apparently this is white bear and Canada में से white bears होते हैं. So I just got this soft toy. I also got this too cute soft toy keychain. Very cute, right? So many fridge magnets. Canada, and this cute fridge magnet also. Also got this Canada keychain. This is also an opener from the back and keychain from front, so multi-use purpose. So I can just hang this in my keychain and मैं इसे use कर सकती हूँ. मैं ये कीचेन को अपने किचन में हैंग कर दूंगी. Got this 2 microwave glove from Dollarama. This was for just $4. So and quality is very good and design and print very cute. Now I got so many stuff from Costco. Costco वहाँ का डीमार्ट है, सारी चीज़ें अच्छे डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस में मिलती है और बल्क में सारी चीज़ें मिलती हैं. और दिस मेपल सिरप बहुत ही बड़ी बॉटल है, 1 लीटर. आई डोंट नो मैं इसे फिनिश कब करूँगी. तो कनाडा इज़ वेरी फेमस फॉर देयर मेपल सिरप और मैंने वहाँ पे मेपल सिरप जब ट्राई की, the taste was very authentic, so I was like, let me just get it. Next I got this pack of Nutella. इंडिया में न्यूटेला मिलता है मुझे पता है, बट आई वॉज जस्ट सोल्ड आउट विद द पैकेजिंग. यहाँ पे देखो, ये CN टावर का पैकेजिंग है और ये मॉन्ट्रियल का है. सो आई वॉज लाइक, एज अ सोवीनियर लेट मी जस्ट गेट दिस न्यूटेला. आई गॉट दिस वेजी स्ट्रॉ. मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है, ये बेबी फूड है वहाँ का, सब बेबीज ज़्यादा खाते हैं ये, बट आई वॉज लाइक मुझे बहुत पसंद है, मैं लेके जाऊँगी. बैग में जगह नहीं थी, फिर भी इसको ठूसा गया है बैग में मेरे. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव 2 ह्यूज बॉटल्स ऑफ सालसा. मैं ये कब फिनिश करूँगी मेरे को पता नहीं है, बट वहाँ का सालसा का टेस्ट बहुत ही अच्छा था. सो आई लाइक, लेट मी जस्ट गेट इट. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव दिस सिपर. दिस इज ड्यूब ऑफ स्टैनली. सो आई गॉट इन अ कलर रेड. अगेन आई एम मैचिंग. Next I have this 2 huge bottles. I can use this for my office or maybe whenever I'm going for exercise and stuff. At that time I can use this. This is very sturdy, huge bottles. So again I got this from Costco. Next I got this zipper also from Costco. ये बहुत ही unique shape था and you can use this as ऐसे. It comes with a straw also, so you can just put your straw inside and drink your water. Next I got this sunglasses from Costco again. This just looks so pretty on my face. So good, right? My face is very chubby, so this kind of, frames looks very good on my face. I think I have shown you everything I got from Canada. The sole purpose of this video was just to share things that I have got, so you can also have an idea if you are visiting that country. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you did, please do subscribe to my channel. I would be very happy if you take a moment and comment under this video. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.